Today we'll be making my favorite sandwich from scratch. The list of materials is as follows: an oven in case you want to bake it and make the crust all crunchy, ham, cheese, pickles, bologna, honey wheat bread, salt, pepper, or any other spices that you would prefer to use, some chips, a plate, a fork, a knife, a napkin, paper towels to clean up, and some water to stay hydrated with. I really love this sandwich because it has a bunch of flavors with the meats, the pickles, and all the spices like the pepper and the salt. To start, you'll be needing a plate and some sort of counter. Now you're going to take your bread and open it up to 2 slices. Now you're going to be taking just one piece of bologna and putting it on only one slice of bread. And now onto the other meats. You're going to be needing to take your ham and putting it on both sides of the bread this time. You're going to be doing the same thing with the turkey as well. Now you're going to take your piece of cheese and open the package and place it on either side of the bread. It doesn't really matter. And you're going to go get a fork because you need to take the pickles out of the jar without contaminating the rest of the pickles. And you're going to put them on the side without the cheese. Time for the spices. I preferably just use salt and pepper. I do just a little bit of salt and quite a lot of pepper. Now you're going to take the side with the cheese and you're going to push it onto the side with the pickles. And now you're going to smush it down to where it becomes flat and beautiful. Now you're going to take your knife from earlier and you're going to cut it into halves, triangles, whatever you prefer. I do halves because it's easier. Now you're going to take your chips and put it on the plate and grab you a water as well. You got to stay hydrated. Now you can go ahead and start eating. It's honestly was a very good sandwich, and I highly recommend this to anybody that likes sandwiches. Now you're going to go ahead and pick up everything and put it back where it was neatly so you don't need to leave a mess for anybody else to clean up. Like ham in the fridge, turkey in the fridge, bread goes back in the pantry or wherever you keep it. Trash goes in the trash can. You don't leave it out. Now you can do this before you start eating or after you eat, but you need to wipe down to keep the crumbs away and keep the germs away from everything. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was pretty fun to make, and I highly recommend this to people that like sandwiches because this was honestly a very good sandwich, and I eat it all the time. See y'all later, Miss Huckabee.